Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making miniature versions of popular slimes. They will fit in your pocket and you can take them everywhere. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you so much. And now it's time for a shoutout. Today I would like to say hi to Lifehacki Slimy, Adam Bartkowiak, Karmelowa Patrycja, Domi R, and Shuffle Power with Eveline. If you want to get a shoutout in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, and write a comment with a notification squad hashtag. Now let's start making slime. First I'll make a crunchy slime. I will use a clear glue and add a little bit of blue food coloring. Now I'm adding some borax and mixing it. And before the slime is fully created, I will add these clear bits to it. Let's mix it. I will add a little bit more bits. And here it is, it's ready. Now I'm putting it in a small container and I will come back to it in a few days. In the end of this video I will show you all of the slimes I will make today, how they look like after a few days, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Now it's time for the second slime, and it will be this easy butter slime. So I'm using white glue and I'm adding some cornstarch, mixing it, and adding borax. A little bit more of cornstarch and a little bit more borax. And here's the slime. I will divide it into two parts and color one of them in yellow and the other one in green. Now I'll put them together in my container and I will check it in a few days. Next will be this metallic slime. So I'm starting with some white glue, adding purple coloring, mixing, and now to get the metallic shine, I will add here some pearl eyeshadow. Mixing it, and adding borax, I want it to be a little bit more shiny, so I will add some more eyeshadow. Now some borax. And the slime is ready. It's very nice. Let's put it into a container and move on to the next slime. Let's make a clear and gold slime. So here of course I will need a clear glue, and I will add some gold glitter and these gold plastic nail decorations. I will mix it and activate it with borax. It's ready and it will go to the container for a few days. And the last mini slime I'm making today is this galaxy slime. So I'm making a slime with a clear glue and borax. Now I will divide it into two parts, and I will color one of them purple and the other one in blue. I'll put them together in my container. And decorate them with these sequins. Now let's wait for a few days. And here are all of my slimes after 3 days. Let's look at them. Let me know in the comments which slime you like the most. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and see you soon. Bye!